Mercedes-Benz is a pioneer in luxury automobile segment. Whether we talk about the entry-level C-Class, their highest selling executive sedan class, or the luxury segment defined an S-Class. People say, yeah, those are good cars, but what about the performance-orientated cars? The sports car which gives us thrill, the earth-shattering performance. So on popular demand, we have this for you. This is Mercedes-AMG GTS. So hi everyone, welcome to another video from Big Boy Toys. Since you know the subject of today's video, so let's get straight to the business. AMG is the performance division owned by Mercedes-Benz, which is famous for their engine and power. So let's hear how loud Trey is. This sound comes courtesy to the AMG Performance Exhaust System, which comes as a standard fitment from the house of a filter bag, which is mated with this front mid-mounted 4-liter bi-turbocharged V8 engine, which produces 510 PS and 503 bhp of power from this engine, producing 650 Nm of torque, going all the power to the rear wheels, accelerating this car from 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds, going all the way up to 310 km an hour. This front never-ending bonnet is the character trait taken from its predecessor SLS AMG. These nostrils are completely working, helps to extract the hot air from the engine. Now let's just see the distance between the front tire and where the driver sits. It's too long for a GT. Front profile of the car has been dominated by this very big Mercedes-Benz logo, which comes forward with the air intake grill, which comes with a blacked out mesh as well. Front bumper has been redesigned to let as much as air in the engine bay. On the either end are your very beautiful pair of LED adaptive headlamps, which comes with the LED daytime running DRLs. Bodywork of the car is very curvaceous. It doesn't have any sharp edges or body lines. Hence the airflow seamlessly from front to rear to this wraparound rear end. These are the very slim but quite large LED tail lamps. Coming on to the lower profile is the exhaust system on either end alongside the reflector up front. At the center is your fog lamp. As far as the practicality of a GT is concerned, this boot opens like the one in hatchback and provide you with 350 liters of luggage space, which is quite decent if you are going for a weekend runs. This active spoiler comes automatically deployed when the speed rises to maintain the stability on the rear axle, or it can be deployed manually from the button in the interior. Exterior color is not the flattest white. This is a deeper shade of metallic, which Mercedes called the diamond white metallic. Coming on to the front profile, this car sits on the 19-inch cross-spoke black color alloy wheels, which are wrapped around 265 section 35 R19. Braking performance has been taken care of by 390 mm disc at front from AMG Performance Braking System, which comes with 6-piston brake calipers. Rear tire is a much bigger, coming at 20 inches in size. Braking performance has been taken care of by here are the smaller 360 mm brake discs with 4-piston calipers. Tire section happen to be 295/30 R20 tires for greater stability at rear. Now let's focus on the interior. This car comes with a keyless entry system. You do not need to pull the key from the pocket. A driver sits over the stainless steel side seal which reads AMG, and you sit on the upgraded AMG performance seats, which snug fit every driver of every shape and size due to the availability of its active side bolsters and side leg bolsters, which can be controlled from these very buttons. Dashboard is seamless. Everything comes towards the driver. Upper segment of the dashboard is trimmed in leather. Lower section is trimmed in Alcantara. Center console houses your 8.4-inch entertainment screen, which comes paired with Burmester surround sound system with 4 speakers. Lower down are your 4 AC vents with a piano black surrounds. Works independently with 2-zone climate control system, one for driver, other one is for co-passenger. Coming below the center is the center console, which is shaped like a V8, which is the layout of the engine. On the center part is your matte carbon fiber trim, which hides 2 cup holders. Out on the edges are your piano gloss black finish. This 8 buttons works differently. Allow me to explain it to you. On the top left is your power button for the screen, and this is a toggle for volume. Down there is your transmission. You can select the transmission to be driving this car in automatic as well as in the manual mode by pressing this button. This is to turn off the auto start stop. This is for the active exhaust system. They say with great power comes great responsibility, and you can cater down the power with 5 different modes: comfort, sport, sport plus, race and individual mode. Individual mode can be configured with the help of this navigation in the center. Over the screen, dynamic select and individual mode gives you the flexibility to change the different parameters of the car as per your likings. Like, you can put the engine in the sport, race or any mode of you desire. Suspension should be in the comfort or in the sports mode. Transmission has to be in the manual if you are driving this engine with the race mode. Exhaust, of course, louder in sports plus. Coming down, this is a very small gear lever with leather and aluminium finish. In the center console, this is a leather wrap, of course, with Affalterbach logo embossed in it. Generally, two-seater sports car doesn't come with a very big interior space. It feels small and cramped, but here this has this party trick, a moonroof, which fills this cabin with much more needed light and air. So this was all about Mercedes-AMG GTS. Hope you guys like the video. If do, please give it a thumbs up button, share your feedback in the comment section down below, and for future content, stay subscribed.